Welcome back everyone to Trekking with Tom. Today I'm going to attempt to make a bushcraft shelter from my bare hands. So as you can see, there's a lot of fallen trees around, so I won't be damaging anything. So let's go and have a look around and see if we can find some wood to make a little bushcraft shelter. Right guys, that's that done. Built my bushcraft shelter. Let me show you. I'm only joking. I've just found this in the woods. Bit of a shame really, a bit of a mess. But I think we'll move on, leave this alone and find somewhere more suitable. Right, I know we said we're going to move on, but I'm just thinking, how did I get a sofa through these woods? Let me show you. How do you do that? How do you get through all this wood? And you can get that through. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments, because I don't have a clue. Right, let's move on. Right, you never guess what I've just found. A wacky stick. I'm going to take it with us, see if it comes handy. Let's go. Right, I've just found another discovery. Got a skateboard. Shall we have a go on it? Try a little ollie? Let's have a go. Right dudes, I'm going to have a little go trying to ollie this thing. Are you ready? Don't laugh at me if I fall over though. Yes sir! Oi! That wasn't too bad to be honest. Right, as you all know I like to promote Leave No Trace, so fortunately I can't take any of this with me. But to heavy as it is, tied it up, don't look good. Might have been fun at the time, but take it with you. Right, let's go. Love thy neighbour. Love thy wild. Woo! Right, I don't think we're going to get round to building a bushcraft shelter, but I have found what that looks like at a treehouse. And this is in the middle of nowhere. There is no one around here whatsoever. So I'm going to have another walk through and see what it's like. If you go down to the woods today, I don't know the rest of the song. Right, let me show you. See if you guys can see this. It's like a treehouse. It's going to have a closer inspection. Right, it's a real shame actually, to be honest. I thought, oh yeah, it's cool, it's a treehouse. Wait till you see the state of this place. So yeah, fair play, they tried to build something, but yeah, wait till you see this. This is why we get a bad name for wild camping, because people do this, leave it. It's quite high to be honest, quite impressive how they got up there, but look at the state of it, not very good at all. So, alright, better move on, leave this mess, see what else we can find. What is that? Oh, looks like a pump, in the middle of nowhere. Don't you know, pump it up. Oh. It didn't pump up. Let's leave it. Crikey! Did anybody see that? I'd love to do a wild camp around here, but it's such a mess. People have ruined it, to be honest. So we won't be coming here. Even though it's absolutely stunning, that's just ruined. Like that behind me. Pff, awful. So whoever owns this land's not going to be happy at all when they see that, but oh well, what can we do? We leave no trace, so that's all we can do really, to try and educate people. So this is all going to be gone one time, so let's enjoy it while we can. I've been randomly walking around and I haven't a clue where to go now. So oh well, it's all part of the fun, little adventures and stuff, so oh well, I'm just going to keep walking. Hopefully I'll find my way out sometime. Woo! Ah! getting a bit warm walking up this hill. Let's have a bit of water. Ugh, it is horrible. This is why I love living around here. Look at the views. Look at the views. Let me show you. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I've just found a local, so I'm going to have a walk over to him or her and have a little chat. Let's go and have a look at him. Excuse me, sir, could you say a few words? How rude. How very rude. Oh, sorry about this. I've got a slight dab on. Oh, nice and warm. About 14-15 degrees. Summer's on its way. Summer's on its way. I cannot wait for summer on its way. Oh, have a look at this. How pretty. Nothing else has got anything on. Just this one special tree. God bless the tree. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Like I say, when we go out camping and stuff like that, we like to leave no tree. So whoever built them little shelters earlier, just go back and tidy them up. It doesn't look good on us. And I'm sure whoever owns this land won't be happy at all. A lot of mess there. It's not good at all. So, right. So we're nearly on 300 subscribers. So I'd like to thank everyone ever so much. Please make sure you subscribe, subscribe, click, and subscribe, like, and share. I think that's what we're trying to say. Yeah, subscribe, like and share if you like this video. So like I said, 2 weekly videos hopefully. We're going wild camping on Friday, just down to do some riverbank wild camping, so that should be good. I'm going to cook up a steak, a few tinnies. Oosh. So yeah, right, I'm going to have a little short walk home now. But like I like to say again, thank you ever so much. Really enjoying doing these, and I'll see you next time. Take care.